This is beautiful, man.
All right, everyone. So today is a special day because I am on my way for testing a Honda Africa Twin DCT, the version with automatic transmission. My actual goal is the CB500X, but in the town close to where I live at, there is one. It's 0 kilometers though, and they do not want people to try it because as soon as they try it, the price will sink, and they do not want that. So I had to try the other day, I had to try a similar version. I tried the Honda Rebel. I'm going to show it to you guys for a bit here. So here we go, nice looking street bicycle. I would say more chopper oriented, but I recorded a lot of footage, but the lavalier microphone that I had was pretty bad. So the sound quality is awful. So I wanted to do a video initially with that test, but it's not going to happen because the sound quality is bad. So I tried a similar engine. The 500X and the Rebel have the same engine. I wanted to see how powerful the engine is and if it's enough for me. And now I told the guy from the dealer there, I told him that I want to try a higher category, and he said, yeah, the higher one would be the Africa Twin if you're into adventure motorcycles, but the ones that I have are with kilometer zero. So he said, but I know someone who has one, and that one can be tested. So now I'm on my way towards that dealer. I called yesterday and I said, listen, I've spoken with this guy and I want to try the motorcycle out. And the lady said, yeah, you can come tomorrow 10:30 and you can give it a try. So I am going to buy sometime in the future, I do not know when, I want to buy an adventure motorcycle. Now, if I have enough budget, which I don't have right now, I'm going to go for a new one or almost new one. And the goal or the end goals are the CB500X or the Yamaha Tenere 700. Those are the objectives, the end goals, yeah? But if I do not have enough budget, then I will go for a used one, 2,000, 2,500, 3,000 euros, something like that, you know? Maybe a Honda Transalp or a different type of adventure motorcycle. So that means I will be seeing you guys in a bit. I'm gonna record some footage with that with the Honda Africa Twin. I will see you guys there in a bit, and then we will see how this test is going to go. So catch you in a bit. So this is the motorcycle, guys, that I'm talking about. The one that I'm going to be trying today, the Africa Twin DCT. This is an automatic transmission version. I have half an hour or maximum 60 kilometers. Of course, the dealer is flexible, so it's not going to be a problem. But this is basically it. And then I'm going to show you guys what they still have inside, because they have some more Africa Twins. They also have some motorcycles here. I'm going to show you guys quickly. But obviously I'm not going to test this ones, but I am going to test this baby here. So I'm going to quickly go and put on the jacket, attach the the action cam to the helmet, and then we're going to give it a try. All right, wish me luck. It's huge. That's what she said, you know. Okay, so wow. So basically I have to press this D and only accelerate, yeah. That's it. Whoa, the power, bro, the power of the bike is crazy. You have to be very careful. Whoa, oh my god. You gotta be careful with this baby, bro. So there's no brake, there's no clutch with this motorcycle. You only have to accelerate. And yeah, you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful because, I mean, I have to be careful because I've never driven something like this. Holy mother of God, this is beautiful, man. It's easy to drive. It's so easy. And once you're on top, you know, it's like, I don't know, it's a game basically, you know. Just in case there's someone coming. You gotta be careful with the streets, with kids and so on, you know. So I'm gonna keep the limit. So no clutch, yeah? No clutch. No clutch needed. Holy mother of the Lord. It has so much power. And it's not that hard to control. Wow. Wow. Okay, I lowered the visor, so I hope the volume won't be very, very high. Does not have a windshield in front, so I'm not very protected. The wind is striking me in the front, you know. But it's beautiful. It's so easy. And the power that you have with this motorcycle, it's insane. And just look at that. It's like raw power, you know. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. It's a very beautiful experience. And yeah, you do not need the clutch. I see that I mean, I have the feeling that the motorcycle sometimes it looks like it's not in the correct gear, you know. Mother of God. Such a beautiful experience. This is raw power. This is... Oh, wow. That is what I'm talking about, friends. I'll have to be careful with the brakes here. It's not something that I know, you know. This motorcycle is the first time riding it, so I need to be careful here. So you simply do not have to change gears. You just have to accelerate or brake pedal, you know. Yeah, it takes a bit to get used to. I thought it's going to take a lot more and then I'm going to do some mistakes, but apparently not. I'm going to try to go here to the left and see if I can catch a spot where we can stop for a moment. It's incredible how raw power this thing has. I mean, you accelerate and it's like almost leaving you, you know, it's like it leaving you behind. It's gorgeous, it's incredible. So I'm so happy that I tried the difference between the 500 and the I think this is 1100, the motor. I'm not sure, but it could be. It's a huge difference. Yeah, it's 1100, it says there. And I really like this color. It fits my helmet, to be honest. Look at that. And then here. But yeah, the price, it's somewhere close to 14,000 euros, something like that, which is double the budget of, or the budget. Yeah, I was about to say the budget that I have, but I do not have that budget either. It's double the amount of money that you have to pay for the CB500X. But this is basically it. I am going to stop and put the jacket on. Yeah, I left it there. The helmet, and then we're gonna go back. And yeah, do not think that this is going to be somehow technical details video or review of the motorcycle. No, maybe more in the future, yes, but for now it's just a test. And I will get more into it the more we try, you know, into technical details and stuff like that. So it's just a test, and I want to share this moment with you guys and share the pleasure, the happiness of testing something like this, you know, with you. So it's far from being a technical review of a motorcycle. So see you guys on the bike in a bit. Okay, let's go back. It's the raw sound of the bike. Okay, so you gotta press this D, and then here we go. You only have to accelerate. That's basically it. Okay, let's wait for it for a bit. It's amazing what you can do with it, but you have to be careful with the acceleration. It has so much power, it can immediately knock you down. You gotta be careful. Now let's see if we can find the way back. So I'm going to brake a bit. So I do have the feeling sometimes that I'm in the wrong velocity, you know. I think we have to hit here to the right. I do have the feeling here we gotta go here to the right and then up the hill. It's incredible the power this motorcycle has. But you gotta be careful, yeah? You gotta be careful with the acceleration. If you slip a bit, very beautiful. I didn't think that there's such a huge difference, but yeah, when you think of it, it's logical, man. 500 and we're talking about 1100 here, you know. Now the question is, do you really need this? I mean, do I need this? Or I can decide myself, not decide myself, there's the word missing. I can declare myself happy with the 500, you know. The thing is, and that dealer from the other day told me, when you're going to try something like the Africa Twin or something with a huge engine or a bigger engine, you're not going to want to come back. I think I gotta go here left, I'm not sure. Remingsheim, no, I gotta go 1 kilometer. Sure, a lot of people would consider this boring, you know, because they want to change the speeds themselves. I also think that once you get used to this, you will not want to go back, because, and you'll still have the chance, yeah. On the left side here, there are the options to change the speeds on your own, you know. I gotta go somewhere left. I don't know exactly where, but we gotta go left up the hill. I guess I'm gonna try here. I'm not gonna accelerate and do too many crazy things here, because there could be kids, you know, and you gotta be careful. Was it here? No. It's the next street. I could do this days and days, man. There. Here we are. neutral, and then stop the engine. Raise my visor. And then here we go. That was the ride with the Africa Twin. Incredible, incredible how much raw power this motorcycle has. So that was amazing. What do you guys think of that motorcycle? Do you guys have something like that or something similar? I'm also looking into the Yamaha Tenere 700, the new version, you know, 2019, 2020, and both of them, the Africa Twin and the Yamaha, are gorgeous. But what I experienced today, the difference in power between the Africa Twin and a 500 motorcycle from Honda is abysmal. It's incredible. You know, it's like a Mustang waiting to get loose, and it's like, let me go, you know, let me go. It's like that raw power, you know, bro. It's incredible. It's incredible. I'm speechless. So I loved it. I loved it. If you loved it as well, if you enjoyed the video, I know that it was not that technical. I didn't go into too much details because I do not know them. Yeah, it's the first time doing this, and I will definitely improve in the future. But if you enjoyed the ride, if you love the sound of the motorcycle and maybe me foolishing around a bit here and there, then definitely subscribe and hit the like button. If you didn't like it, then please write a comment down below in the description telling me what I can do to improve it, and I will definitely do it. And I will see you guys in the next video then. Take care. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.